Good morning, guys. It is day one of the head gasket job on the 92 4Runner bogger. So I'm just gonna start with the engine bay, like cleaning stuff up and getting everything ready to be taken apart, because there's a lot of dirt and stuff in there and I don't want that in the engine. So yeah, I guess we'll start off with cleaning.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it, many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law.
Okay guys, I just wanted to bring something to attention. This thing's been body lifted. Look, you can tell. Yeah, so it looks like a 3-puck lift. And what they didn't do was fix this. That is tight as a guitar string. That's no good. I believe that is just the clutch slave cylinder, but still, like, it's starting to crack the hose. So if you guys are gonna do body lifts and stuff, just check stuff like that. Shouldn't be like that. So what I'm probably gonna end up doing is I'll just try to bend this bracket down a little bit to take some tension off this hose.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Will you find me? Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sunrise, when the sun. You know, and be wild in the mystery. Yeah. I've been in the darkness for 40 days. I've been searching for holy flames, a sign to light up the way. So can you help me out? you help me out?
Damn it, Jim, I'm a mechanic, not an archaeologist. Just trying to frickin' get this wire out that goes behind and then into this huge frickin' clump. And I missed a bunch of footage too up top because I frickin' thought I turned the camera on but did not. Frick. People wonder why mechanics charge so much. Bullshit like this is why. Oh, getting there. Oh, this one's really packed in there. This is so freaking much. Thinking it's almost lunchtime. Whoop! Whoop! Hi! Oh, right there. Wow, there's a front diff under all this. Crappy IFS, but it's still a four-wheel drive. Oh, come on. All this for this little plug. There! Gotcha! Now the engine, the harness can come off. Holy crap. Freaking nightmare. But I got her. I got her. You just gotta be more stubborn than the thing you're working on. And watch your noodle. I already freaking smashed my head off of that once. That was not fun. So, yeah, I'll pull the harness up and then I'm going for lunch.
I've been more certain of truth before.
Well guys, I made a little bit more progress on the engine. Right now I'm working on getting the coolant thing all dealt with. Excuse me. And that brings me to a neat trick that some of you might not know about. To get studs out, you need two nuts. I just used both the nuts off of these. These studs have got to come out to get this front cover off. So you take one nut, you wind it on backwards because these ones have got the little flange onto them, or shoulder, whatever you want to call it. So you wind one on backwards, you put the other one on top of it. And then you tighten them against each other. It doesn't have to be ridiculously tight. And then you just back it off. And it comes out like easy peasy. Neat little trick to get studs out. And then when you're done, just crack her loose and you get your nuts back. And because you didn't torque them down ridiculously tight against each other, nothing stripped. So, little neat trick for you guys.
Called a righteous man before. Yeah, I've been closer to Jesus before. So can you help me out? Oh, can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own?
Alright, so I'm just working on getting the fan bolts out. I'm using leverage to my advantage. Show you guys what I mean in a sec here. Okay, so if you put the wrench on straight, that gives you the least amount of mechanical advantage. So you can't break her loose even if you're jerking and twitching. But what you do is instead you offset the wrench, come on, like that. What that does is that gives you the least amount of mechanical advantage, short of being wrenching on it from directly across from it. So now if you twitch on it, it should break it loose, providing I don't cut my wrists open or something. Did I get it or did it pop off? Nope, I got it. There we go. Easy peasy. And while I was doing this, I happened to look down and noticed the AC condenser's falling apart. Holy crap. Just coming apart. So I don't know if this thing's got AC. I don't know if it's well, yeah, if it's got a charge in it or not. I'll have to find out real quick.
Oh, can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own? Or can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own? Or can you help me out? Can you help me out? I've been scared to look in my soul. I've been afraid I would follow the road. Yeah, afraid of the things I've been told. So can you help me out? Oh, yeah. Can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own? Or can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own? Or are you speaking now? Are you speaking now? Oh, I think I can feel you say, dream big, 'cause boy, you're gonna make it. Stand tall, there's a higher road you're taking. Let go of everything that you know and be wild in the mystery. Dream big, 'cause boy, you're gonna make it. Stand tall, there's a higher road you're taking. Let go of everything that you know and be wild in the mystery. Oh, come on, come on. Be wild in the mystery. Oh, you gotta let go, let go, let go. And be wild, be wild.
Well guys, I got a lot done today. This is a big job. This is a little bit bigger than I was expecting it to be. So yeah, I'm starting to get real kind of doggy. So I don't think it's fair to keep pushing, adding time to it while I'm working slower. So I'm going to leave it here for tonight and then pick up tomorrow after work. So they need this thing back by the end of the month, hopefully. That's kind of the timeline anyways. So yeah, we'll just keep pushing out a little bit at a time. And I definitely got to get the heads off soon though, because those I got to go to the machine shop and get checked. I could do some checks myself, but they're probably going to need to get decked. You're allowed 10 thou per side head and block combined. So if the head's 12 thou out, there's no point in taking it to the machine shop because it's gonna require more taken off than what is allowable by Toyota, and then you're gonna have to deal with head shims and all that crap if they even exist. So I don't know. Like I said, I do have that spare block, so we can always rob the heads off of that one. So yeah, anyways guys, that'll do it for today. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.